Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Reading SQL Data in Python Without Pandas, a tutorial. Introduction. In this tutorial, we will explore how to read data from a SQL database in Python without using the popular pandas library. While pandas is a powerful tool for data manipulation and analysis, there are situations where you may prefer a lighter solution or simply want to avoid using additional libraries. We will use the sqlite 3 module, which is included in the Python standard library, to connect to a SQLite database and retrieve data. Prerequisites. Step 1, import the sqlite 3 module. Step 2, connect to the database. Step 3, execute a SQL query. Step 4, close the connection. Note, make sure to replace placeholder values such as your underscore database.db, your underscore table, your underscore column 1, and your underscore column 2 with the actual values from your database. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we demonstrated how to read data from a SQL database in Python without using pandas. The sqlite 3 module, part of the Python standard library, provides a lightweight and efficient way to interact with SQLite databases. You can adapt the example to other SQL databases by using the appropriate module, example mysql.connector for MySQL, Psycha page 2 for PostgreSQL. ChatGPT.